Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we started everything. We added our grid lines, levels, and even our exterior wall. Now we're going to continue working on this. We're mainly going to focus on our retail area here. Um, so let's go to our architecture, click on wall. We have our exterior wall. Now we're gonna create an interior wall. Edit type, duplicate, and this will be interior wall number 1. We're going to maintain the clad white and then the 200 thickness. So we're just gonna press OK and then OK. Next, we're just gonna click it here. So from our grid line number 2 to A2. So we're gonna add it here up to D. So we're gonna add it D here and then close this off. So what I need you to do next is press escape and then escape again. Click here on the wall that we created for our D. Click on copy and then copy it upwards, but type in 2000. So 2000 is created. Press escape and then escape again. So I want that 2000 to be our guide. So I'm gonna extend this all the way to retail number 3. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have 6 retail here. I'm just going to extend it a little bit up to 3. We will have our connections right here for the stairs, and then we will need to pull this up. This is our corridor for that. So this one, we're going to extend this as well, similar to here. So now, let's use interior wall again, CS, and then now close this off. Press escape. Now let's just add walls like this. So I know I'm gonna get something here, but what I'm doing is I'm preparing it. So I'm just dividing all the retail space for now. So similar to that. And then here, I'm just gonna extend this all the way here. And then extend this one here as well. Let's close this off like that. And then we could just create our stairs after we finish here. We're gonna add our stairs on this area, and then we will have to add our 3 elevators as well right here. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click on wall again, but instead of line, we're gonna click on rectangle. So I'm gonna create a rectangle using this. I'm gonna go over here. So basically from 3, 4, and then 5, we're gonna create a rectangle. And this rectangle, we could check that this will be around 57, should be 57. Okay. And this one should be around 7800. So that's good. So we're just placing it in between 3 and 5. So in the middle of the fourth retail. So I'm just gonna, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna have 6. So this will be the fourth line, this will be third, and then fifth line from the retail. And then here I'm basically pulling it up, and then I'm gonna type in SL, so that's split element. So we're gonna split element this, so only this one, and then pull this inside. So that's basically it. We will have um, connections here and then here as well. So for this one, let's add in the wall. So CS, so we could add this one as well. Just gonna click it there and then pull this up. This will be the stairs, and this will be for the elevators. So that's how easy it is to create some space and some gaps. I'm also going to create a line right here and then pull this up so that we could basically maneuver it from here to there from the loading area. So here we're going to close this off. So CS, I'm going to extend it from here using our interior wall. And then here, we're going to extend it right here. And then let's add around 2500 right here. And then extend this one. And then pull this up. So we basically have room to go around. This will be our grocery store right here. And then our storage, loading dock, loading area. And this will be for the grocery. This will be for the underground parking, so we need this space. And then this will be for the lobby. Retail space right here. And let's add in the wall right here. I'm just gonna extend this wall like so. And then all the way to C. And then close it off. We're also gonna add stairs, and then we will have an elevator here as well. Here we're gonna close this off. We're gonna have our grocery entrance right here. So look for 11, so which is right here, and then just go down around 5500. So you can type in 5500 like that, and then close it off like this. This will be our security area. Security area is around 4000. And then this will be the grocery entrance right here, and then the security room. So don't worry, we're gonna add room tags. So let's do that so that everybody is clear on what the area is for. And then we can mark it as well. This will be right here. Let's put security. This will be grocery. storage right here. So even though we haven't put any doors yet, at least we could do something about how we could address the space. So here we could just put retail 1, just control C, and then control V, change the number. So the easiest way to add in room tags. Security. This will be grocery entrance. Grocery store. Lunchroom. Brew room. Storage. Men's washroom. Women's washroom. Loading area. Lobby. So here we could add in um, some rooms here. So I'm just basically adding it from the E, and then let's extend this. So this is around, should be around 4,300. Okay, let's extend that. And I want it to be extended like this more, and then add it. So we have security as well here. And then storage right here. Security. And then we could actually create this as a an extension of this so that we could have storage. Okay. And then we could put some mailbox area here as well. What I can do as well is to change this. I'm gonna move this one all the way there, delete this, and then I'm going to extend this one all the way there. This is still going to be our entrance, lobby entrance, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a vestibule. So I'm gonna create this CS. I'm gonna create a vestibule right here, 2000 all the way there. So it will look like this. We can even extend it more, not just 2000. Let's make it 3500. So like that, and then we have this big lobby area here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this wall. This is for the meal area. So we could put it right there. in there. Let's put grocery. And then this will be security for condo. Okay, and then this will be the, you can just put mail. What I'm gonna double check is we put this unconnected. So basically we need to select all of them, filter, and we're just going to use uncheck everything except for the wall. Apply, okay, and then now we could just put this one up to level 2. So you could use filter, it's easy. So as you can see, I just need to select all the walls so that we could do it, because we forgot to set up the level. It was unconnected. Now everything is connected. So that's very simple to fix. And as you can see, everything is level 1. Let's add in our floor. So click on floor, edit type, duplicate floor number 1, edit it, change the thickness to 200, and let's change the floor to be something stone. Let's use this, build stone, apply, okay, then okay. Let's go to our perimeter. So let's use pick line, and as you can see, it's easy to pick the lines. We just need to trim it once we do. So we could stop here, press escape, TR, trim and extend, so that, and join them, TR here, and join. So there we go, we fixed that. And then let's do it again, pick line, okay, and then now trim and extend. Okay, so I think we did it all on all the corners. So if not, it will let you know. And then now we have everything like that. So what we could do is we could insert some door. So let's add in the door for the retail for now. And then let's stop after that. So what we could do is, instead of the retail, let's add it from the inside. So let's go for interior and let's go commercial. So let's use this. Press OK. Select everything. OK again and continue. And then go back to architecture and then click on door. 750 by 2000, that's good enough. I'm going to add the door right here for the storage. I want my storage to be only connected from here as well. So let's connect it from here. And then here we could have our door. We're just going to open this up. Here, let's add in our door. So click on the space bar to change orientation. And then lunchroom right here. We're going to open this up. And then we're going to put overhead garage door there. And then let's add it here for the grocery. Press escape. We're going to use the curtain wall doors right there. Here we're going to open up like that. Also right here at the loading, we're going to open this. So while opening, show multiple rooms, delete rooms. Okay, because we open this up. Okay, so that's fine. We could connect this, or we could just open this area. Delete room. So I'm just opening this area. We don't actually need a divider here for our walls. This needs to be opened. And then this will be also um, a corridor or an aisle for our exit as well. So we could add in some doors here at the back. So we could click on door and then add it right there. Okay, so that's for our retail. And I think we're good for now. Let's continue this on the next video. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.